talking about Benchmade's Grizzly Ridge. This is the 15061. This is a knife in their blue class, in their Hunt Series. The Grizzly Ridge, the handle is Grizzly and Versaflex, and it comes in their amazing CPM S30V. Like most Benchmades, you have the ambidextrous pocket clip. It does have the access lock, which is also ambidextrous. It comes with a beautiful orange thumb stud, which complements all the Hunt Series stuff, which has some orange on it. So literally, if you drop it in the woods, you can find it. Has a cool little thong hole, and this is just a great size and shape. Everything has nice contouring to where when you put it in your hand, it feels nice. It has jimping along the spine, not only here for your thumb, but up here, which is excellent. I've only seen this on a few knives. And for real nice detail work, it gives you some grip up there. Great size. I love their little satin. It's a satin, but it's almost like a tumbled finish. Really nice looking. Great little hunter, or all day, every day carry for utility, whatever you need it for. It'll serve you well. All the current pricing and the specs will be on the video and on our website. Thanks for watching.